What's up, YouTube? This is Honda Heck here giving a review to see if it's true. Can you microwave pork rinds? Let's see. Take it out the bag. This low-raised microwave pork rinds. Original, hot and spicy. Or hot and crispy. Let's see. I don't know. It says open it. It says shake up the bag. And you see there's nothing in there. It's like popcorn, but pork rinds. I don't know. Okay. Shake it off. Shake it off. Okay, spread it out. Now let's throw it in the microwave. It says this side up. Let's see if you really could do it. It's my first time removing. My cousin sent me this from where she's from. 2 minutes. And let's see if you really could pop pork rinds. Never done this before. Popping pork rinds. Let's see. Alright, let's see. It should. It says it ain't gonna pop like popcorn, but I don't know. What pork rinds can you microwave? This is the first time I tried this. Plus my cousin sent it to me from, I think it's Wisconsin. They have low raised. So we try it out. See if it's good. Y'all might want to check it out. Microwavable pork rinds. But we'll see. I hear some crisping up right now. Now I'm gonna put the phone next to the microwave. I don't know, it'll fry my phone or something. Well, let's see, it's popping. Yeah, this is my first review, man. I figured I'd try something new, you know. If you like, subscribe, have any ideas, I'll try it out. Plus, coming soon, I might have do it on a motorcycle, the It from the movie, riding a motorcycle. That I think that will be cool, scaring people while I ride my little mini motorcycle, moped, whatever. Little 50cc's coming soon. Y'all might want to see that one coming tomorrow or the weekend. Today is Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. So. Okay, it's popping. Let's see. Do we got pork rinds or what? Pork rinds in the bag. Pork rinds in the bag. Alright, let's see. Holy crap. What the hell? Look how big it got. It's like popcorn, but with pork rinds. Alright, give me a second. Let me see if I can open this bag with one hand. Or I can try to. Give me a second. Holy crap. You can't. Hold on, give me a second. See? Let me put it in the light. And it's still crackling. Pork rinds in the bag. You can hear it cracking. Wow, so it's true. Let's try one and see. Crispy. And it's still popping. Well, I hope you like and subscribe. If you like it, try out low-rate microwave pork rinds, chicharrones. They're not bad. They taste good. They taste like regular chicharrones, just a little warm. Cool. Not bad. Thanks to my cousin from Wisconsin. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Wow.